to LV Creation. This is my first video. I'm going to show it to you how to make a red velvets. A lot of my friends is asking me to show them how I bake my cake. I'm so busy. Yet where I got time to prepare all these things? And I also have to take care of a 2 little monster at home. So let me tell you how to make. First, you need to have a flour. Flour that's easy for you, that everything already mixed it inside, that you already have the flour, you already have the sugars and leaving agents, red beets, the food colorings, and everything's already mixed inside. It's just a simple way. You just need to add butter, vanilla essence, and eggs. Come, let's start. What you need to do, the first step is that you need to put 400 grams of eggs. It's about 7 pieces of egg. See? You need to put it in and then we blend. Okay, let's do it. Pour it inside. Butter that I already melted it. Let's turn it on. The magic part is that if you have more, you just add it in to have cute designs, and you can let your kids to have it. Pour it into the cup. The magic is that you need to pour all into the rice cooker. Now we're going to remove this and see what will happen. Whoa! Brilliant! And finally, now we are going to cut some of the fruit, strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi. Here you go. Strawberry, blueberry, red velvet cake. We should need to put this. Where should I put? best simple cakes that I bake for my families. A busy working mummies always have the crack the head to think what are the things that's best for the families. They want to eat yummy food and it looks good as well. That is how I bake at home. Thank you for watching. If you like to watch my videos, click on the red button so you can see more of my videos. Bye. Happy and lovely day.